Most traders are still sitting at their screens, watching candles, waiting for the perfect entry. Meanwhile, the smart money set up a bot 3 weeks ago and hasn't touched it since. Bitget has over 10 different trading bots, and in this video I'm going to show you every single one of them step by step so you can pick the right one and get it running in minutes. Whether you want to grind sideways markets with a grid bot, dollar cost average automatically, or let AI pick the strategy for you, it's all here. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, if you don't have a Bitget account yet, click the link in the description down below. And I want to be very clear here. There are a lot of scam sites pretending to be Bitget. My link down below makes sure you land on the real one. Now, new users signing up through my link can get up to 6,200 USDT in bonuses. And here's exactly what that looks like. You get a 200 USDT Bitcoin futures position boost voucher just for checking in 3 consecutive days during your beginner period. That's basically free money for just logging in. Then there's a deposit and trading challenge. Starting from just 50 USDT, you can earn up to 6,000 USDT by completing net deposit targets, spot trading volume, and futures trading volume milestones. And on top of that, you can earn up to 120% APR for 3 days if you invest up to 1,000 USDT. All of this is yours, but only if you sign up using my link down below. I'll show you exactly how to claim these at the end of the video. Once you're logged in, make sure you have funds in your account. Just hover over your profile icon, click deposit, select USDT, choose your network, and send your funds. Make sure the network matches on both the sending and receiving side. This is important. Get this wrong and you could lose your funds. Funds usually arrive within a few minutes and then we can start automating. Head over to Trade on the top navigation bar, scroll down a little on the drop down and select Bots. Right here you can see 2 main categories, Spot and Futures. Spot means you're running a bot without leverage. Futures means you have leverage available, and you can choose which one you want to work with right here. Under Spot you'll find Spot Grid, Spot Martingale, Spot Auto Invest, Spot Trend Following, and Smart Portfolio. Under Futures you'll find Futures Grid, Futures Martingale, Futures Trend Following, Funding Rate Arbitrage, Futures Signal Bot, and Futures Position Grid. Before we go into each bot, click on Overview at the top. This gives you a bird's eye view of everything. At the top you can see your total assets, today's PNL, and how many running bots you currently have. Scroll down a little and you'll see the recommended bots section. Right next to that is where you'll find all the spot and futures bots listed. We'll cover each one in a moment. Scroll down a bit more and you'll see the elite trading bots. These are the best performing bots on the platform, updated every hour with very strict criteria set by Bitget. You can toggle and sort these by type, pair, direction, ROI, PNL, number of copiers, and drawdown. You can see the pair, bot type, direction, runtime, ROI in both percentage and USDT, the equity curve, max drawdown, AUM, profit share ratio, and the trader behind it. Scroll down a little more and you'll see the AI bot section. Same sorting options here, plus 2 extra, risk appetite and bot users. You can also see backtested APY, max drawdown, minimum investment required to copy the bot, and the recommended duration. And at the very bottom, Bitget has a crash course on all the bots. Great for a quick read if you want to go deeper on any of them. Now let's get into each bot one by one. Go back to the top of the page and click on Spot Trading. The Spot Grid bot is one of the most popular bots on the platform. The idea is simple. It places a series of buy and sell orders within a price range, buying low and selling high automatically as the price moves up and down. It works best in sideways or ranging markets where the price keeps bouncing between levels. Click on Spot Grid. You'll see a trading interface with the chart in the middle, bots listed on the left, a pair selector on the upper left, and AI and manual mode options on the right. Your running bots appear at the bottom, both self-created and copy trading bots. The AI bots you saw on the overview page are right here too, with all the same stats. If you want to use one, just click Use on the upper right of any AI bot. It will show you the grid, all the price levels where the bot will place buy and sell orders. All you have to do is set your investment amount and you're done. You'll also see 2 options here. Sell all at termination, which means when you stop the bot, it will sell all your holdings back to USDT. and hold mode, which is for when you're bullish on the crypto long term. In hold mode, the grid profits are used to buy more of the asset at market price, instead of converting back to USDT. Great if you want to accumulate while the bot works. Once you've set your investment amount, click Create and Confirm. You can see it running in your Running Bot section. If you want a more manual approach, you can set your own price range, number of grids, and choose between arithmetic or geometric grid type. Arithmetic spaces the grids evenly in price, good for stable ranges. Geometric spaces them by percentage, better for assets that move in larger percentage swings. Input your investment amount and click Create. You can also check the advanced settings. Things like starting condition, termination condition, take profit and stop loss, slippage, trailing grid, and the same sell at termination and hold mode options. There's also automatic profit transfer. Once enabled, every arbitrage profit generated gets automatically transferred to your main account. No manual withdrawals needed, and profits won't be reinvested. Spot Auto Invest is a great choice for beginners. Instead of trying to time the market, you buy in batches automatically, also known as dollar cost averaging. You set it, forget it, and accumulate over time. Here you can see recommended portfolios, from NASDAQ inspired to S&P 500 to a minimalist stock plus gold mix. You can see the APR, recommended coins, and total uses for each. Click Use on one of them and it brings you to the manual setup. You can see the pair and allocation. You can add up to 10 coins by clicking the Add button on the upper right. The remaining ratio shows you how the allocation is split. It always needs to equal 100%. Next, set your investment per trade, then set your investment frequency, monthly, weekly, daily, or hourly. You can also set the local time for when the buy executes. There's an option to make the first buy order immediately after setup if you want to start right away. In advanced settings, you can edit the investment plan name and set a price range for when buys will execute. Once done, click Create. Spot Martingale is a bot that automatically buys more of an asset as the price drops, lowering your average entry price and then takes profit when the price recovers. It's designed to recover from dips automatically. Just like Spot Grid, you can use the AI bots or go straight to manual. In manual, you have two options, normal and reverse. Normal mode buys more as the price drops and takes profit on the way up. Reverse mode does the opposite. It sells more as the price rises and buys back on the way down, which is useful for bearish setups. You have a trigger requirement based on price drop steps. This sets how far the price needs to drop before the bot adds to your position. Single cycle TP target is the profit percentage at which the bot closes the cycle and takes profit. Under investment, you have three key settings: base order size, the initial buy amount when the bot starts safety order size, how much the bot adds each time the price drops a step, max safety orders, the maximum number of times the bot will add to the position. In advanced settings, you can configure TP calculation method, number of cycles, starting condition, safety parameters including leverage, termination condition, stop loss condition, sell all at termination, and auto renewal with profits, which automatically restarts the bot using the profits from the previous cycle. Once done, click Create and it will show in your running bots. Spot trend following lets you automate trading based on technical indicators. So instead of watching charts yourself, the bot reads the signals and executes for you. On the right side, you can see the top bots and which technical indicator they're using. You can choose between MACD, Bollinger Bands, Moving Average, and RSI. Click Use on your selected bot and it brings you to the order placement form. You can see all the detailed information: backtested APY, time frame, max drawdown, number of trades, and win rate. Input your investment amount and click Create. In advanced settings, you can set take profit and stop loss with the option to sell at termination again. Spot Position Grid is similar to Spot Grid but designed for position building. It helps you accumulate a position gradually across a price range rather than just trading in and out. As of this recording, there are no live bots available to copy for this one, but the setup is the same as Spot Grid. You set a price range, number of grids, investment amount, and the bot handles the rest. Key metrics to look at when evaluating one are the 30-day APY, profit per grid, recommended period, and number of grids. Smart Portfolio is a multi-asset portfolio bot with automatic rebalancing. Instead of managing individual coins, you set up a basket of assets and the bot keeps them balanced for you. Here you can see all the recommended portfolios. Things like a Mag 7 Inspired Tracker, an iShares Inspired Tracker, a Bitcoin Plus Gold Hedge, and more. Click Use on one of them and you'll see the full crypto allocation, just like Spot Auto Invest. You can add up to 10 coins and Bitget pre-fills the allocation for you. All you need to do is set the rebalance mode. First mode is proportional. This rebalances based on the ratio of each asset's value. Second is time rebalance. This rebalances at set time intervals regardless of price movement. Third is unbalanced. This only rebalances when the portfolio drifts beyond a set threshold. In advanced settings, you can enable sell all at termination and asset transfer. Once done, click Create and you can see the bot running. By the way, if you haven't signed up on Bitget yet, now is a great time to do it. The link is in the description down below. Remember, only my link gets you the full 6,200 USDT bonus package. Don't use any other link. There are a lot of fake Bitget sites out there, and my link makes sure you're on the real one. Now let's get into futures. Same bots, but now you have leverage, which means bigger potential gains, but also bigger potential losses. Start low on leverage until you know the bot is working for you. First is Futures Grid. This is the same as Spot Grid, but with leverage. You can amplify your potential gains or losses depending on how the market moves. You can see the AI recommendations with all the information you need. Direction, leverage used, back-tested APY, max drawdown, minimum investment, recommended duration, and total users. Click Use on any bot. You'll see the grid. All you need to do is input your margin. You can also adjust the leverage here, up to 150 times. But I would strongly recommend staying low, maybe 5 times to 10 times, until you've confirmed the bot is performing well. You can also see the estimated liquidation price here, which is the price level at which your position would be automatically closed and your margin loss. Keep an eye on this. For a manual approach, click Manual. You'll see 3 direction options: long, short, and neutral. Long means the bot profits when price goes up, short when it goes down, and neutral profits from price movement in either direction within the range. Set your price range, number of grids, grid type, and margin. Advanced settings are the same as Spot Grid. Once done, click Create. Futures Martingale is the same concept as Spot Martingale, but now you have 3 options: AI, featured, and manual. And you can go long or short. You can see direction and leverage on the AI and featured bots. Click Use and you'll see the grid, margin input, and leverage selector. For manual, you can either click Copy to manual creation to replicate the current bot settings as a starting point, or start from scratch. Same settings and advanced settings as Spot Martingale, but with the added option to go long or short. Once you have everything set, click Preview to see the grid before committing, or Create to get the bot running immediately. Futures trend following. Same as spot trend following, but now you have the option to go long or short, and you can add leverage. Everything else works the same way as the spot version. The futures signal bot is for more advanced users who want to connect external signals, like from TradingView, directly to a live trading bot on Bitget. You'll see 2 tabs, My Signals and Create a Signal. In My Signals, you can see all the signals you've already created and their performance. To create a signal, here's how it works step by step. Step 1. Give your signal a name, something like BTC Long Trend, and an optional description of the strategy. Step 2. Open TradingView and go to the strategy or indicator you want to connect. Configure your alert script with the conditions that will trigger the signal. Step 3. Copy the webhook URL provided by Bitget and paste it into your TradingView alert configuration. Important, each webhook should only be connected to one TradingView alert to avoid execution errors. Then add the message script provided by Bitget into the alert message field. Step 4. Return to Bitget, click Create a Signal to activate the bot, and monitor performance in the My Signals tab. Step 5. If you want to stop it, go to Running Bots, select the bot, click Terminate, and confirm. All open positions will be closed at market price and your funds return to your account. Termination is final and stops all trading immediately. Futures Position Grid is the same concept as Spot Position Grid, designed for building a leverage position gradually across a price range. The setup mirrors Spot Position Grid with the addition of leverage and long, short direction options. As of this recording, there are no available futures. Position Grid is the same as Spot Position Grid. The last bot is funding rate arbitrage. Funding rate arbitrage is one of the most interesting bots on the platform, and one that most people overlook. Here's how it works. In futures markets, traders pay or receive a funding rate every few hours depending on whether the market is leaning long or short. This bot takes a position in spot and an opposite position in futures, so it's market neutral. It doesn't care which direction the price moves. It just collects the funding rate as passive income. Here you can see the spot pair and futures pair side by side. Use the pair selector on the upper left of the chart to choose your pair and see the 3-day APR, 30-day APR, and 90-day APR. This tells you how much you could be earning annualized. You can also see the current funding rate, the countdown to the next funding payment, and the basis rate, which is the difference between the spot and futures price. Input your investment amount. In advanced settings, you can set the amount per batch entry basis rate, which lets you only enter when the funding rate is above a certain threshold, and sell at termination. Once done, click Create and you can see the bot running. All right, and look, for the next few years, two kinds of traders will exist. The ones using AI and the ones still doing everything manually. Same market, very different outcomes. Here's how you get on the right side of that. I have put together everything inside the AI Trade Edge community. Every prompt, every bot, every template, every step-by-step guide I personally use, all in one place. And everything I build going forward gets added straight into the group the moment it drops. We are also testing strategies from all over the internet, automating them using PineScript, running them live, and sharing exactly what works and what does not. So you are not just getting tools. You are getting a live research operation. Inside, there is also a full agentic trading course, 2.5 hours, beginner to expert, no coding background needed. By the end of it, you will have your own AI trading system running live, something most retail traders do not even know is possible right now. $79.99 a month. One good trade covers it. And the first 100 members lock in that rate permanently. After that, the price goes up. The link is in the description. You genuinely cannot afford to miss this. And that's it. Every single Bitget bot covered step by step. If you want a more detailed walkthrough of the entire Bitget platform, including how to trade futures manually and how to use copy trading, click on the video popping up on your screen right now. It'll walk you through everything else you need to know. And if you want the full step-by-step guide on how to build your own agentic trading system using Claude, that video is popping up on screen as well. Go and check that out next. If you found this useful, leave a like. It really does help the channel. Subscribe if you want more content like this and drop a comment down below. Let me know which bot you're going to try first. I'll see you in the next one.